to my channel if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been here and you're coming back again. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a gel which I use in doing this hairstyle that I have on right now. So if you're interested and you would love to see it, keep watching. Ta-da! Okay guys, it is literally like gorilla snot. Gorilla snot? I don't know. Look at it. Ew. It's gooey. A gooey man. It has this minty smell. And it smells like cough medicine. Oh my god.
Okay, so guys, I'm starting off by taking off my rubber band from my old hair. I'm making my side parts. Then I'm sectioning my hair into 3 sections, one by the side, one at the back, and then the front one, which is going to do the sweep for the hairstyle. I'm brushing my hair back and putting it in a ponytail. So I'm going to start off by taking a small section of my hair and then applying the gel onto my hair, brushing it backwards and attaching it to the back of the hair. I'm going to repeat this process like throughout my hair. Add a lot of gel. Make sure you brush it down so the hair stays put. I'm going to keep doing this throughout my hair. And I forgot to add, the smell of the gel goes away after a while. Like your hair literally smells like there was nothing applied on it. So I'm going to continue brushing my hair backwards. This is the part where you have to focus. Okay, I'm going to apply gel throughout my hair. Make sure I brush it down and comb it so it's like smooth, because my hair is not that long. So swoop fully backwards.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
So now our hair is brushed down fully. I'm going to use my satin thing to wrap my hair for about like 5 minutes while I do other things like put on my earring, rub some lip gloss I mean. Okay, so afterwards I will take off my scarf, and you could leave the hair like this, but I don't like the idea that my head is looking so small, so I want to put a puff at the back. Some people actually think that's on my hair. It is my hair. I just used my band. You saw the way I tied it, and then I combed it out, applied my shea butter and sprayed it with water, and this is the end of my hair to top.
Okay guys, love you. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, hit that notification bell, and comment below. Drop your comments below kind of videos you'd like to see and questions you have about maybe the hairstyle or the gel or whatever question you have. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!